Yo, what's up? Ricky Sanders here. If you live for fast cars, greasy hands, and solving problems under the hood, welcome to your new favourite spot. I'm all about real fixes, no BS, and showing you how to keep your ride running like a champ. So go ahead, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's make some noise in the garage. Enough talk, let's get wrenching.
After stopping the engine, it begins to cool down. Up to a certain limit, this is not so significant. The car starts normally and there are no problems in its operation. But in winter, during severe frosts, the viscosity of the oil increases significantly. In order to start, the engine now needs more energy, which the battery cannot provide. In addition, even if the car starts, the parts, which are not lubricated, wear out much more. In order to avoid all this, you need an auto start by engine temperature. This system, based on sensor readings, they determine the coolant temperature, oil pressure, battery charge level, and on diesel engines. Also the glow plugs, turns on the ignition. The motorist has the opportunity to choose at what temperature it is necessary to start the engine and to what degree it is necessary. To warm it up, some types of systems silence the car not by thermometer, but by timer. After cooling down, the device reactivates the auto start. In this case, if the temperature of the engine auto start in winter is set correctly, the car can be left unattended for a sufficiently long period. Automatic engine start by temperature is convenient because the parameters are set both on the head unit and with the alarm key fob. How to set the engine start by temperature? For different alarm systems, the way to set the automatic engine start is different, but, in general, the principle of activation is the same. For example, we will take the Starline A91 model. Before you start, you need to set the program mode on the key fob. With the ignition off, press the service button 6 times, then turn on the ignition. Now you can select the required temperature value. On what engine temperature to put the auto start will be discussed below. To exit the mode, it is enough to turn off the car. If the car is equipped with an automatic transmission, then, to prevent the car from starting in gear, you will have to carry out another procedure, program neutral. The car should be put on the handbrake, then the button with the lock icon is pressed for 3 seconds on the alarm system key fob. Then the key is removed from the ignition, the engine is still running. After pressing the button one more time, the engine will stall and the car will remain under the alarm. The asterisk button must now be pressed twice. The display should show the temperature. On a well-heated car it will be positive. If the low icon appears, it means that the auto start temperature has not been selected or the car has cooled down to 40 degrees C. Next, press the button with asterisk several times, until the key fob will not emit 2 beeps. At this time, the icon will flash on the display in the lower left corner. Press the same button to move to the thermometer icon. Now, if you press the button with the lock icon, enable, an acoustic signal will sound and the system will be activated. Instead of the clock, the display will show temperature readings. For other alarm models, the engine start by temperature may be different. Do not improvise when activating. This can throw off important settings. Instructions should be in the manual attached to the system. It is necessary to follow it. During customization, many people have a question: what temperature to choose for automatic engine start? At what temperature should I set the auto start? When customizing the start system, first of all it is necessary to focus on the capabilities of the car itself. That is, the selected temperature should be such that the car can start from the ignition from the first time. At the same time, it is desirable not to allow such a situation that the device triggers too often. For most car models, the optimum temperature of the engine auto start in winter is 15 to 20 degrees Celsius, for diesel engines, 10 to 15 degrees Celsius. Operation time, 10 to 20 minutes. If there is no possibility to specify it, the car will run until all indicators are close to normal. Important. If the vehicle has a weak battery, the optimum engine temperature for the self-starter is south 10 degrees Celsius or less. In conclusion, the auto-start system is a remarkable innovation that enhances convenience and efficiency in modern vehicles. By utilizing a combination of sensors, remote access, and advanced technology, this system allows drivers to start their engines from a distance, ensuring a comfortable environment before they even step inside. Understanding how this system works not only helps you appreciate the engineering behind it but also empowers you to make the most of your vehicle's features. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this exploration of the AutoStart system informative.